Good morning, California. Let's talk contingencies. It's the buyer's safety net in a real estate deal. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed. The big three are the inspection contingency, which is to check for issues, the appraisal contingency, which confirms value, and then finally the loan contingency, and this is to secure financing. If one of these are not met, the buyer can cancel and potentially get their deposit returned. But timing matters. Every contingency has a deadline. And as your realtor, I help track and manage every step so you don't lose money or momentum. Contingencies protect you, but only if you know how and when to use them. Let's get it right. And that's your Good Morning Minute. Have a great morning.